Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we got the Google Pixel Watch 5 in the 45mm, the non-LTE version. This watch starts at $399 for the 41mm and $499 if you want the LTE. For the 45, it'll run you $429.99, and if you want the cellular, you add $100 more for $529.99. They also have a Stephen Curry edition for $579. This is similar to the collab they had with the Fitbit Air, which I actually did a full review on. If you're interested, I'll leave a link down below, but the band will be in the colorway would look similar to this one. So with that said, let's get started. In the bag, you have the pull tab. You pull here and you just push down on the box and it should slide right out. You pull up here, you have one drawer, and then you pull on the bottom, you have another drawer. The bottom drawer is what houses the actual watch itself. There it is. Still have the rotating bezel. And this is the matte black aluminum colorway. I believe this box has the bands itself. The nice thing is that Google gives you two different sizes for bands. So this is the bottom part, but the sizes they have, in case you have bigger wrists, you have options. In the back, they also have your instructions, which I don't know if you actually read them. If not, you can just put them to the side. So going back to the actual watch, it's very nice. It's powered up. There we go. So after struggling for a few minutes trying to put on this band, made me realize that I wish a lot of these companies would use like the same method that Apple uses. I believe they have the easiest solution to swapping off bands. I almost forgot to mention, you do get a charger in the box, and I believe it is the same one as they had last year on the Pixel Watch 4, where it's a side mounting one. Here's the charging port. So all you got to do is just mount it on there and it's done. So I'll be using this watch for the next few weeks and give you my full review. Comment down below what you think of the device and what you would like for me to test. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, bye.